The following segment is sponsored by Metro Appliances and More.
I'm so happy to be back at Metro Appliances and More to once again award them the finest appliance store in the four-state area. And here to accept the award is Tom Morning. Tom, congratulations.
Right, thank you very much. Here we are, another year, another award. Metro Appliances and More has done our best to provide the best pricing and the best appliance availability in the four states.
Yeah, you mentioned availability, and that's very important right now. You see behind us just the endless row of appliances. That's something that really puts you over the top.
Yes, our purchasing department works hard to provide these appliances.
I understand some exciting things are happening and a new store is in the works that maybe this time next year we'll be ready.
That's exactly right. We're very excited. We're building a new showroom on North Range Line, larger, better, and we're hoping to open that up the 1st of 2023.
Very exciting. Tom, thanks again and congratulations.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Metro Appliances and More.